Hi, welcome back to our channel. So here is the new story of a new vibrant yellow Suzuki Swift that is in a race where there are multiple cars. Obviously they have to win this competition. So yellow car is near accident. You can see that blue car is also trying to move next, but yellow car is unfortunately has been collided, and now people are walking and they called to Jerry. So Jerry has reached on the spot. Obviously Jerry has dream, and Jerry wants to restore this car. So Jerry called his team, and his team started to load this yellow Suzuki Swift car on their truck. Obviously when they will load this truck, and they have to return to their workshop where the actual journey of this yellow Suzuki Swift will start. So they have to repair this car. So this is the real story of power destruction and ultimate resurrection. After reaching at the workshop, Jerry will direct his subordinates to start the work on this wrecked car. Obviously inspection and direction is the main thing that leads to success. And now they are replacing all the damaged spare parts of this yellow car. And this is the real and this is the beginning of restoration. After this, they have to weld all the damaged parts, and where every this is the workshop where every crushed panel, every bent frame, and every hidden scar is repaired with expert precision and heartfelt care. So after all, Jerry is in it's a sand paint where the new beginning of and new paint will start. Basically this looks very beautiful, and it is the main thing that looks that the old car or the wrecked car has been restored. I mean, this is the primer paint, and so after this the new yellow paint will be painted, as they are painting with their machines. And Jerry is looking very carefully. He is inspecting his all team members. I mean, this is not only the work, basically this is the repairing or restoration of a legend talent. And this is not only a restoration. So after this Jerry has started to work on car's radiator. There is no hood at this time, and he's inspecting, and he's tightening all the nuts of its radiator. When the radiator will be fixed, it means that the car restoration has been completed. this is the full and the final assembling of car, where dashboard, seats, tires all have been fixed. So it means the car has been restored, and just the final inspection of the car is being checked by Jerry. And this is the entire restoration of Suzuki Swift. And this is also a hidden story, that nothing can be wasted. Everything can be restored, everything can be repaired when you have a mechanic, when you have a critical thinking in your mind. This is another story of restoration or repairing by Jerry, where a loaded truck that is basically working to load sand on the trucks. After unloading its all weight, one day the truck is moving as randomly it moves, but unfortunately, where a car accidentally collides with this truck, where this truck has been damaged very badly. And Jerry comes on the spot. As usual, he calls his team, and his team tries to export this truck to their workshop, where the actual and real restoration work of this yellow heavy load truck will start. After all, Jerry started to reach his workshop, where the real restoration will begin. And this is not only a restoration, it is also a type of entertainment and a technical problem. How to solve this technical problem? So this is the issue of this. And now they are trying to unload this truck, because after unloading they have to start the restoration process of this truck. Jerry's team is very sincere, and I hope that they will easily unload this truck. And they are trying to remove all the straps from the truck that basically tightens the truck. And now we and our team is trying to restore all the damaged parts. When Jerry will start his work on this bucket or yellow truck, obviously he has to analyze the damage, and he has to guess that how it can be restored. So he has started to he has started to repair and replace all the damaged and wrecked parts, and now they are using heavy machinery for hydraulic spare parts. I mean, after this, one man is trying to motivate Jerry that never give up. So after I think they have completed the 50% of this truck, and basically this is the story of this yellow truck. And I hope that you have a lot of entertainment from this video. So please inform and tell us in your comments that which type of content you want, and inshallah we will next create content on that projects where you want or what you need.